Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can get a free AliExpress discount code that allows you to save $100 US site-wide at the checkout. This basically means that you can save up to $100 on anything from AliExpress. These discount codes don't come around too often, and luckily for you guys, I have found a working, verified discount code that we can all use at our next checkout. Just to let you guys know though, it is a limited time discount, so get onto it quickly before it expires. So let's get into it, and I am going to share with you guys where we can find this discount code, how we can apply it, and yeah, let's get into it. So I'm actually going to be screen recording how I did this just on my iPhone here, so I'm going to pop it up on either side. And the first thing we're going to do is head to Safari and head to this website called bougiecoupons.com. I've used their website before. All of their discount codes are verified and working. They are a real legit coupon website, just to let you guys know. So once we get to Bougie Coupons, you can use the search bar, or literally, as you just saw, AliExpress came up in their little coupons. I highly recommend having a scroll through all the coupons and deals as well, just to check out what else is available. I've saved so much money using Bougie Coupons. It's honestly unreal, hence why I wanted to make this video to share with you guys how you can save $100 off at AliExpress and just bring awareness to a bunch of other really amazing coupons and deals in 2023. So obviously once we find AliExpress, we just want to click on it. Okay, so once we're on their little AliExpress coupons and deal page, what we're going to do is, as you guys can see, there's the $100 AliExpress promo code just literally waiting for us. So we're going to press show coupon code. As you guys can see, it's like got like a little coupon already there, but as you guys can see, there are some digits that are needing to be generated, and this is going to create your unique discount code. And what we're going to do is press unlock code, and it's going to take us to a page. So basically what Bougie Coupons does is they actually work with different app offers from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what mobile device you're on. I recommend doing this on a mobile phone. So basically what we need to do to unlock our free discount code is complete 2 to 3 of these free app offers. They're super simple to complete as well. As you guys can see, they've all got different little descriptions. So what we need to do is obviously pick 2 of them and read their descriptions and complete them accordingly. So you guys can pick whatever 2 you want to install. It doesn't have to be the same 2 that I'm doing. Literally whatever is easy enough for you guys to do. You might even have different offers available depending on where you are in the world, but they're completely for free to install, really fast as well. So I'm going to go back and pick another one. I might do this one just to be a bit different. And the reason I said 2 to 3 is because I have used Bougie Coupons quite a bit, and sometimes you have to install 3 offers for your discount code to show up at the end. I'm not really too sure why. Maybe I didn't complete them properly. I'm not really too sure, but I just wanted to add that in there in case you install 2 and your discount code doesn't pop up straight away. So as you guys can see, the first offer has already installed. So I'm going to go ahead and start to complete it now. So I've literally just got to run this offer for 30 seconds and then that's complete. So I'm going to make sure to set a timer, because this might be where I've gone wrong in the past and why my discount code didn't show up. Maybe I didn't wait the full 30 seconds. Maybe I counted in my head and it wasn't correct. I'm not really too sure. So I'm going to come back once the 30 seconds is up, and you guys can join me at your second offer as well. Just pause the tutorial. Okay, so now that first offer is complete, I'm going to go ahead and start this second one now. I think I just said to sign up to their offer. If you forget how to complete them as well, you can always go back and just check their description. So I'm just going to sign in. I might do this off camera as well. You guys don't need to know my details. Okay, so I've completed both of those offers, so fingers crossed that's all we have to do today. We might have to do a third one depending, I'm not really too sure, but guys, seriously, it's worth it for the free discount code. I'm not even joking. So what we're going to do now is go to Safari, and we're going to go back to the tabs that are already up, and we're going to find Bougie Coupons. And would you look at that, guys, the coupon is literally there. So yeah, I highly recommend obviously completing the offers correctly. My coupon came up pretty much straight away. All I had to do was complete 2 free app offers and I got my free discount code. So as you guys already saw, I've already applied my own discount code for AliExpress, so one of you guys can even use this one if you want. Whoever gets this video first, of course, you can simply apply that at the checkout and you'll be able to save $100 site-wide at AliExpress. If not, just obviously complete all those steps and you should be able to get your own discount code. As I said, they are limited, so get onto this quickly, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Like, comment and subscribe, and comment what you're going to buy from AliExpress. I'm super curious to know.